Machines. Machine is a device that allows a small force, the effort, to overcome a larger one, the load. Effort is the force that is applied to the machine. Load is the force that the machine applies to the object. Machines can be categorized into two types, simple and complex. Simple machines: a pair of tongs, pulley, a knife, a screwdriver, a pair of pliers are some of the simple machines. Complex machines. These consist of a large number of simple machines combined together. Examples of complex machines are sewing machine, tractor, aircraft, and bicycle. All of these are a combination of simple machines.